How to quickly improve your memory. Use Memory Palace or Loci method. In your mind, imagine placing the information you want to remember in a familiar location such as your house. To remember historical dates, imagine 1776 on your front door, Napoleon in your kitchen, and World War tanks in the living room. Mentally walk through your palace or imaginary home to quickly recall the information you stored. Turn lists into humorous stories. Turning lists into humorous mini stories helps memorize grocery items, tasks, or study points. For example, if you need to remember milk, apples, and paper towels, imagine a cow spilling milk on a pile of apples, then slipping and cleaning up with paper towels. The silliness activates multiple areas of the brain, making the information more memorable. Make up your own silly stories to remember a long list of items. Try mnemonics or makeup. Funny stories. Remembering things can be fun if you use the right tools. Try mnemonics like Vibgor to recall rainbow colors, or create silly, funny stories to remember names and lists. For example, to remember someone named Baker, imagine a Mr. Baker surrounded by mountains of bread. Visualization and humor activate multiple brain regions, making information stick longer. The stranger or funnier the image, the stronger your memory becomes. Visualize and make up a story. Creating vivid mental images makes information stick. For example, to remember sodium, Na, picture sprinkling salt from a bottle labeled Na. In biology, imagine a mitochondrion as a cartoon power plant puffing out energy. Visualization works well for chemical formulas, historical events, and difficult terminologies. Try chunking. Breaking information into smaller parts helps the brain remember better. For phone numbers, instead of remembering 55 found 34567 as one long string, split it into chunks 5357. This technique also works for chemical equations, formulas, or long lists by grouping them logically, like reactants, reaction arrow, and products in chemistry. Use acronyms and acrostics. Acronyms condense lists into a memorable word or phrase. For example, the first 10 elements of the periodic table can be remembered with Hi, he likes being busy, caring nicely over friendly neighbors. Acrostics create phrases where each first letter cues the item to remember, like, Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally for the order of operations in math. Make up rhymes. Rhymes and rhythmic phrases make formulas, terms, and dates easier to remember. For example, in 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue, helps recall a historical date. In chemistry, oil rig, oxidation is loss, reduction is gain, reinforces electron transfer. Even rhythmically, chanting the Pythagorean theorem aids memorization. Move often. Short bursts of exercise increase blood flow to the brain, boosting memory. 10 to 15 minutes of brisk walking, jogging, or jumping jacks improves recall immediately. Regular aerobic exercise strengthens the hippocampus, supporting long term memory. Eat brain boosting foods. Your brain thrives on nutrient dense foods. Include dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonols, which is good for your brain. Eat leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and brahmi. Brahmi leaves are known for its memory boosting effects and is used in Ayurvedic and Indian recipes. Consume nuts and seeds such as walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, or take algae based omega 3 DHA EPA supplements. Eat plenty of okra. Okra, commonly used in Indian cooking, is rich in antioxidants like quercetin, catechins, and flavonols, which combat oxidative stress. Add polyphenol rich foods like berries, green tea, coffee, and turmeric, which reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the brain. These foods provide antioxidants, healthy fats, and minerals like magnesium that fuel memory and cognitive performance. Reduce or eliminate highly processed foods and sugary foods, and switch to unprocessed healthy foods such as salads and soups. Get good sleep and stay connected. 7 to 9 hours of sleep helps your brain detox and consolidate memories. Stay socially connected. Conversations and relationships are powerful brain boosters that keep your cognitive reserve strong. Take short naps. If you didn't sleep well, take short naps of 20-30 minutes during the day. A short nap helps to refresh memory, while full night's sleep consolidates newly learned information. Eliminate stress. Chronic stress harms memory and speeds up brain aging. To protect your mind, practice stress busting activities like deep breathing, yoga, meditation, nature walks, or journaling. Even 10 minutes a day can lower cortisol levels, improve mood, and sharpen focus. A calm brain is a stronger, more resilient brain. Practice focused attention. Memory works best when your attention is undivided. Mindfulness, or just a few minutes of focused breathing, clears mental clutter. Reducing distractions, such as turning off notifications, silencing phones, or creating a quiet environment, allows the brain to encode and retrieve information effectively. Learn something new. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to grow and adapt. The more you challenge your brain, the stronger it gets. Learn a new skill, pick up a language, play a musical instrument, or even try activities outside your comfort zone. Something as simple as taking a new route to work or the grocery store forces your brain to adapt and form new pathways. Small shifts like these keep your mind flexible and sharp. For fast improvement, use visualization and funny stories to recall information. Take a short walk and keep moving. Snack on blueberries or dark chocolate with water. Learn something new, reduce stress, and take a 20-minute nap. This combination enhances attention, encoding, and retrieval in a single day.